Kahit na pagod ka na, Maiko, kahit na ayaw mo na, Alisa, sa Bisaya, upadayon mo, magpapatuloy pa rin kayo. Dahil you love each other more than that. Nakuha nyo? Sisimulan nyo yung sakripisyo nyo pag-load nyo mamaya hanggang matatapos. Ha? That is very symbolic. Ha? Because you will be lifting one another. Dadalhin yung isa't isa. Now, ito na. Final end na. Final end. Ito na yung end. No? According to an unknown author, o yung mga words na sinabi ko sa inyo, truly these words will make your joy complete as what Jesus told us in the gospel. I would like to end this homily from a certain author, and it says, the biggest communication problem today is that one does not listen to understand, but one listens to reply. It is my hope that you, Michael Oliver and Alisa May, will listen to understand and not simply to respond.